Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition was a big hit for Samsung and the brand managed to sell over 10 million units around the world. And it is the one that made us love the Fan Edition series and even built great hype for the upcoming handsets of the series. But unfortunately, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition failed to repeat the same. And last year, Samsung skipped the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition because of chip shortage and unfavorable global economic conditions. Though at some point, rumors were suggesting that the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition is in working, but later reports claimed that Samsung has discontinued the Galaxy Fan Edition series and also skipped its top mid-ranger, the Galaxy A74. Now, as per the latest report from Samsung homegrown publication, claiming that yes, the company did skip the Galaxy A74 but will launch the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition later this year. Further, this time Samsung will make Galaxy S23 Fan Edition availability to more countries compared to the S21 Fan Edition, which was only limited to the Europe, US and some Asian countries. And I think by skipping the Galaxy A74, Samsung wants to make its customers go for the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition for better sales figures. For the specs, nothing has been leaked out yet, but reports claim that, like the recently launched the Galaxy S23 series, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition will also ditch the Exynos chipset. So probably Samsung will use the Snapdragon chipset, maybe the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 or the underclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Like the specs, we don't have any sneak peek of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition design, but we can guess it will feature the same design that we recently saw on multiple Samsung handsets. The clean looking individual camera cutouts, just like the Galaxy S23 series. More details are likely to come out soon and I will make sure to keep you updated. So do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.